Hi guys, and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. Today I'm going to show you on how to upload a game on Google Play Store. Before we can upload a game on Google Play Store, we need to have a Google Play Console account. It's $25, you need to buy it, but it's forever, so it's okay. So go ahead and buy it first, guys. Alright, so before we upload our game to Google Play Store, we need to make sure that it is a 64-bit compliant. So to do that, you can go to your file, build settings, player settings, then you need to check the player here, and then you're going to check your Android tab here, and then check the other settings. So the scripting backend must be IL2 CPP, and API compatibility level is .NET 4.x, and you need to check ARM v7 and ARM 64, so you need to check both of them. And then when building, you need to check this build up bundle. Of course, you need to switch first before you can actually build your game for Android. So yeah, remember those things like scripting backend, API compatibility level, the target architecture, which is ARM v7 and ARM 64, and tick this build up bundle for Google Play. So when you do that, you can go to build and run. You can choose to overwrite if you have something like that. So yeah, let's wait for this one to build. Alright, so we successfully build our game. So as you can see, build complete with a result of succeeded. Alright guys, after you pay for your Google Play console, you will be inside your Google Play console, and if you tick your create application, you will be lead to this page. So in this page, which is store listing, you need to provide some information for your application or game. Title, short description, full description, and you need to provide a icon for your application. It's pixel by pixel pixels, and it needs to be a PNG, and you are required to upload at least 2 screenshots, which is 320 pixel up to 3840 pixel. And in here you need to upload your picture graphic, which is 10,024 or 1024 width by 500 height. So it can be JPEG or PNG, so this is required. And then you need to fill in some information like application type, category, and you need to fill in most of the information here. So right now I don't have the icon and for the picture graphic and for the screenshot, so I'm going to do that first. Alright guys, so after you have your icon, you can come back here to Google Play Console and put it here, screenshots, picture graphic, and then yeah, give the information that they need, current tags, the current rating, the email, the website, and then go to app release, upload your APK here. Just look at this menu. Everything that have checks is required. So in here, content rating, you need to fill up these things. The app content, you need to do most of the things here. Let's wait, it's loading. Hey, come on. Yeah, so you need to do the app content, the privacy policy, the ads, the app access, the target audience. You need to fill up everything, and then the pricing distribution, you need to decide if it's paid or free. And then finally on the app release, we can go here on our internal test track first so that we can test it internally. So now we're going to upload our APK or ABB here, or the app bundle. So I just created a app bundle, right? So I'm going to upload it here. So now I'm going to grab the app bundle that we just created. Alright, I'm going to grab it now. So here it is. I'm going to put it there. I hope that Google Play Console will accept it. So right now we just make this APK or app bundle compliant to become 64-bit, but it's failed. Alright, see what happened here? Because we didn't sign our APK or app bundle, we need to sign it before we can upload it here. Right now it's in debug mode, so when you sign it, a APK or app bundle, it will become a release version. But right now, our version is debug version. See this error? Yeah, it's telling something like that. So we need to fix that. I'm going back to our project first to fix that. Alright, so now we are inside our Unity project. You need to go to project settings, player, and then check the publishing settings. Right now it's default to debug key. This is the problem. Alright, see this Keystore monitor? We need to click this, and then we will create our new Keystore. So I'm going to put it just anywhere. So yeah, so right now I'm going to put it here on our Keystore folder. And yeah, just use the default one. Put some password like of course our favorite password 12345 6. That is so secure. 12345 6. All right, so after that we need to fill in some alias, making games with Unity, and then copy this one, copy this one, copy this. Another password. So yeah, our ultimate password 12345 6. 12345 6, and then we can now click this add key. Alright, so it's created a new user Keystore, so just click yes. And now you see here we got our path for our Keystore, our password, our alias, and our password. So now I can click save here, then save project, then build settings, and we can now build and run. Alright, so we just need to wait again. Alright, it built successfully, so I hope Google Play Console will accept our game. So let's do this, let's upload this game now. Alright, right now I have the app bundle that we just created. So I'm going to grab it here. Then yeah, we just need to wait that please accept our game. Come on. So right now it's generating and optimizing the APK for our Android app bundle. Alright, Google Play Console accepted our app bundle, but we got some warnings, but we're going to fix this next time. So yeah, I think that's it. You just need to go to the new release, like an update release, like first upload, and then just tick save. And then after that you can go to the review, but there's warning, we need to check this first. Okay, this release will not be available to any other user because you haven't specified any testers for it. Blah blah blah. Close. Alright, so we need to specify a tester. So before we do publish this game to our internal, we need to have a tester. So I can click this back here, and then in here we can create some testers. Like we can put names here, create list, but I can put names here, right? So create list, so list name, or we can put some email here. So I'm going to put my own email, like making games with Unity at Gmail. Can I do that? Great. Making games with Unity at gmail.com. Great. Okay, enter a valid name. Okay, admin. Great. Alright, so try to save this thing again. Alright, after we saved our tester, we're going to edit release. Now our app release is ready. As you can see here, it have a green check. So now we're going to go to content rating here, and then we're going to do the questionnaire. So right now we just need to enter our email, and then we're going to select what type of app we have. So we choose game here, and then we just need to answer this questionnaire. Just put no to everything. As long as you believe that you don't have that, just put no. No. No, 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 no. But make sure you're telling the truth, because if you tell a lie, they will detect it. So yeah. Does the game share user current physical location? No. Does the game allow user to purchase digital goods? Digital goods. So we might need that. And these goods include random prices? No. Can players trade or sell digital goods? No. Does the game contains any Nazi? No. Historical facts? No, 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 no. Alright, so this is saved now. So we need to save this questionnaire. And now, yeah, it will be good, right? So what happened here? Calculate rating. Yeah, we need to click that and purchase digital goods. Apply rating. So now this questionnaire will be good. So now see here. Alright, so yeah, seconds ago, content rating here is checked. So we're going to go to app content. Let's wait. Alright, so target audience, you need to complete the session again because your content rating has changed. So we're going to put 13 and above. Yep. And then we're going to go next. Could you store this intentionally appeal to children? Yes. Let's save. Alright, so yeah, it's already checked. App content is checked. And then what else? Go to pricing distribution. So this is the last one. This is free. Our app is free. We need to take everything here. Yeah, the conditions, then save drop. We need to use free, of course. Alright, so yeah, 1, 2, app release, store listing, content rating, app content, pricing distribution. Everything is checked. So now we can go back to app release, go to our internal edit release, and now we can review it successfully. Yeah, so now we can click this rollout internal tests. Let's click that. Yeah, and finally we just uploaded our game and it's in release now, so we can try it actually. So remember the internal test? This is the people that can test the game. So if you're not here, you can test this game because this build is internal. But if you want to release it on public, you just need to go back to this and you need to upload it to beta, alpha, or in production. Production is usually the game that is ready for the market. Alpha is for still testing, beta is half testing, half market, and production is 100% market. Alright guys, so after we start rolling out our game, so keep in mind that your app will not be instantly available because people on Google Play Console needs to review your game. This will take 1 day or 7 days or more, so you need to wait for it. So yeah, you can always check your Google Play Console. So that's it guys, so I hope you learned something today. So I hope that you know now on how to upload your game on Google Play Console, and you know now how to make a 64-bit compliant app. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you always get updated when we upload a new video. So guys, thank you again for watching and see you on our next video. Goodbye guys.